Miss Carl, masayang-masaya ka. The person behind the production. Ayan na po, arriving sa blue carpet, the people's superstar, Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino, also known as Kim Pao. Thank you sa 33 official fan groups po ng Kim Pao at sa support nila today. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Kim Pao, Universe Official. Thank you, Kim Pao International. Thank you, Kim Chu Global. Paolo Global.
Chantal Global.
Overall, 45 official fan groups po ng People Superstars.
Chantal Natic.
Mga blessing po sa buhay ko, Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino.
Lakas ng ulan sa labas, but thank you so much sa pagpunta on a Monday afternoon. Monday ba? Tuesday pala. Tuesday pala. Tuesday pala. Maraming salamat po.
Kakaiyak ang support na Kim. Alam niyo naman, nakikita niyo naman yung support.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga Kimers, mga Pals, Kim Pals, and everyone nakasama sa family na ito. Thank you so much.
Sobra talaga. Paolo Avellino!
At ayan na nga ho, tulad po ng sabi ni Kim, maraming salamat po at lumabas kayo kahit maulan, kahit bumabagyo. Thank you for your time at sana magustuhan ninyo ang programa na ginawa namin lahat na The Alibis.
O ginawa ni Paolo, nagpakulot talaga siya rito. Ay, numupa na yung kulot niya. Gwapong-gwapo na ulit. Kim, Pao, alam ko nahirapan talaga kayo mounting this. How was the experience doing The Alibi?
Doing The Alibi, mahirap pero ma-fulfilling after. Parang it's something na yun. Akala ko 6 PM pa yung media ko. Ano.
Pinapastretch ako ni Sheila.
Stretch pa? Sino to?
I know.
Pero masaya siyang gawin. It's something different that we can offer to all our supporters. And we're very thankful, of course, sa Prime Video, sa Dreamscape.
They're here, our friends from Prime Video.
Yes! We're very thankful and we're very excited na mapanood ninyo. 3 more days to go.
Pao, anong ginawa mo dito? Naman, ang dami kong physical na binago sa sarili mo to prepare for your character here, Pao.
Sakto lang naman, sakto lang. Pero more than anything, yung character namin ni Kim and kung paano nagde-develop yung samahan nila at yung mga nangyayari sa story. I'm sure may excite kayo at kakabahan kayo.
Wow, Kim, thank you sa kaligayahang ibinibigay niyo sa amin, sa mga fans. Iba talaga.
Thank you. At sa lahat naman nanonood online. Hello po sa
Nakasubscribe na ba kayo?
Sino dito ang wala pang Prime Video? Walang sumagot. So lahat meron.
Nagparapol ang Kim Pao Universe ng 300 slots.
Sa lahat nagkaroon.
Wow!
Sobrang. May mga paangkas pa sila, may pa billboard, at may pa cocktails area here, Kim Pao. Ang mga fans
Tita Cory in the house!
Speaking of Tita Cory, baka a-photo lang daw, please.
With Prime family.
And of course, with our partners sa Prime Video, join na rin si Miss Pia Laurel. Sige na, this will be the last frame natin before tayo magsimula. Tandaan. Ayan, we will let Kim and as of course joined by the heads of Dreamscape, Miss Kylie and Sir Rodel. Ayan, this is a power photo you shouldn't miss. Please, Mike, can we do the blocking? Ayan, Miss Kyle joins Sir here para balance. Hi, Miss Tia! You made it! Thank you. Tita Cory! There she is with Kim Pao. Ayan. This is a power photo. Ito pang official. More. Sige pa, go. From left. Okay. O sige, looking sa akin muna for the Sige, looking here, 5 seconds. Looking here, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Looking sa center. 5 seconds then. Center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sa right nyo, please. Ayan. Tingin lang. Ayan. We have seen the power producers of the Alibay. ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, and Prime Video. Kim, Pao, join your co-actors inside. As I officially turn you over, sige, pagbigyan natin mag-hi si Kim tsaka si Pao ng mga fans nila. Hi lang. Sa right side naman, Kim, Pao, ayan. Yung mga solids mo. Pao, andyan din yung mga solids mo. Ayan, Kim International. Kim Pao Official. Kim Pao! Ano nga yun yung paggabi? Ha? Night shift! Night shift kami pa. Grabe kasi sila sa gabi, sila yung nagpapatrend. Oh! Go na, Kim Pao, sa loob ng Cinema 6 as I wrap this up ang blue carpet. Again, you have happy the support. Escape Valenzuela is here. We are honoring the great day of Junel on Saturday. And this is just proper na nakilig kaya nakumutuloy na ang animation niya. We will want to make concept stories na makakaroon lumo ng bawat Pinoy. And I have to tell you, without the support, Miss Lani Gutierrez! Miss Lani Gutierrez, decision ni Kelly Kim sa showtime. Okay, sige. I will get the cue here. The moment na pumasok na po ang mga boss, Jojo sa akin, Onet Diaz sa loob. Fernandez. Sige, ayan, there's an ongoing photo op po. Rona, ayan, dito rin sa ayan sila. How natin sa ito. Awalong loob. Enjoy the swimming!
Okay po! Sir, one picture lang po! Okay po, first picture to the center. Center po muna. Okay, one to your left. Okay, last one for your right. Thank you po. Hi, Kimi. Hello. Wow.
Tapang mo naman dito.
Ha?
Tapang-tapang mo, nananampal ka.
Sobrang tapang. Kailangan ganun sa life.
Talaga?
Yes.
Did you prepare? Hindi kasi ganito eh. You've never portrayed a role as fierce as this before. So how did you prepare for the role dito, Sophia?
I had to watch some scenes from movies, syempre. Kailangan ng peg.
Are you ready for the Kim Pao
Sabi ko
galit?
nga, huwag niyo po akong i-hate. Sabi ko niyo po akong i-hate.
Mahal yan, Kim Pao. She's just portraying a role.
Yeah.
Are you happy to be back?
I'm so happy to be back kasi syempre ang dami kong mga veterans na I really look up to.
Ilang years lang naman.
I mean, to be with Kim Pao Tito John, Miss Jota, Samuel B, Rafael Rosel, Miss Alarin. I mean, like, sila na po yung mga
Naiintindihan ko naman you're coming from. The
inspiration.
challenge is so, di ba?
The pressure is real.
The
so-
pressure is real, sabi
Yeah.
nga. Pero sabi ng husay mo raw, sabi ni Miss Clark, the head of
Thank you
production.
guys so much. I really gave my best for this.
We will find out later.
Project.
The pilot episode, mapapanood po natin sabay-sabay later
Yes.
on.
Thank you.
Enjoy your co-actors there, Sophia.
Okay.
And makakasama
Thank
natin
you.
siya sa MediaCon
Thank
tsaka
you,
sa
guys. See you.
special screening inside. Thank you, Nak. Okay.